Hello everybody, this is Itay Verchik, and on this guide I'm going to show you how to migrate, export and import all of your website with all-in-one migration plugin. Okay, so first of all, in order to be able to download all-in-one migration plugin, you have to log into your WordPress website and go in the dashboard down here, plugins, and add a new plugin. After you've clicked on that, you can see that you can search plugins, so you write all-in-one migration. Now this is the plugin that you need to download. As you can see, it has more than 5 million active installations, good reviews, and it's compatible with your version of WordPress, which has been last updated 4 weeks ago. That's perfect for me. Now this is the freemium plugin that you can use. It helps you to upload a backup up to 200 megabytes. So if you want to upgrade it to unlimited amount, you have to purchase this plugin right here. As you can see, the unlimited extension. It costs only $5 per month, as you can see right here, if it's billed annually, and it makes you to upload your backup unlimited amount of storage. So after you have downloaded it and uploaded the plugin, you can upload it right here on Upload a New Plugin. Choose the file, and as you can see, this is the file. I just open it and install now. Now all I have to do in order to back up my website, just go down here, look for the all-in-one migration tab and export the website. It will help you to export the database and the files of the website in one file that is combined, that you can upload it after that on the import section right here. So let's export the website to file right here. This is what I need. It will take a few minutes, and after that you can download your file to your own computer and upload it whenever you want. Of course, every backup that you make will be also saved on the servers, so it will take a lot of disk space. So you have to delete all of the backups and keep it on your PC or on the Mac if you have, and just upload it whenever you need to restore your website. Also, the upload and the import of the website will take a few minutes, so you have to just be patient and never go out of the website or the computer in the middle of the import of the website, because it will crash your website and the database. And that's it. As you can see, you have a clickable download button that you just click on it and it will download the file. So after it's finished, you can go here and import the file, and then just grab the file from your desktop and import it right to this section of the page. That's it. This is how you can import and export your website to a backup and restore it on the same application or to another website. So it's very easy to backup and restore all of your website with all-in-one migration plugin. If you have any more questions, you can write it in the comments below whenever you comment. And on the first comment, I put the link to my full guide on my website. And if you like this video, you can subscribe, comment, and share. And good luck.